of electrons in Lewis dot structures. Keep these two ideas in mind when trying to understand resonance. Our Lewis dot structures are static pictures, snapshots in time. Electrons are moving fast, very, very fast. How fast does an electron move? An electron could go around the Earth in 18 seconds. So our Lewis dot structures are trying to capture a snapshot in time, which is not accurate because electrons are always moving and they're moving fast. Why would an electron move? An electron would move to get in a more energetic or stable position. When we do Lewis dot structures, our electrons are either in pi bonds, sigma bonds, or lone pairs. In a Lewis dot structure for SO2, we need 18 electrons. And everybody wants to have an octet. So this is a reasonable Lewis dot structure to start the discussion. We have SO2. There is each atom brings 6 electrons to the valence buffet. So that's 18 total. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why do I have 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, this is a good structure here. Must have miscounted. Always worthwhile to count. Electrons are moving very fast, and electrons are going to move to form a bond, a more stable energetic position here. This lone pair of electrons here, this would like to form a bond. A bond, a pi bond, is more stable than a lone pair of electrons. And because these electrons are moving very fast, let's imagine, or let's draw an arrow showing those lone pair of electrons forming a pi bond with this oxygen sulfur atom right here. Now, this sulfur here has an octet, doesn't want to lose its octet, and it wants to keep its octet. Now, if this oxygen wants to form a pi bond, this sulfur can push out a pi bond, accepting 6 eggs to lose half a dozen. This is possible because electrons are moving very fast, and we're asking them to move very, very, very short distances. So what does this picture look like? This is how I start drawing when I'm drawing resonance structures for molecules. This skeleton and sigma bonds, they don't change. The only things that are changing are lone pairs and pi bonds. So I always start out with this structure here because that's not going to change. This thing started out with 3 lone pairs and it formed an extra pi bond, another bond. So it lost a pair of electrons. It lost this pair. Nothing happened to the pair of electrons on this guy. And in this here, it lost a bond and gained a lone pair of electrons. This picture here still has 18 electrons. It's still a good image, a good Lewis dot structure for SO2. These are said to be in resonance with each other because of the movement of electrons. And because these images are static and because electrons move so fast, we need multiple images to show these multiple good structures showing where electrons are coming from and where they're going. Thank you.